Hello all, my name is Digvijay from Center for Nanoscience at Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. So this course, Fundamentals of Semiconductor Devices, which I will be offering now, it's actually a course that will introduce you to the basics of semiconductor and semiconductor devices. What are the benefits of doing this course? You will learn right from the very basics of electron holes to designing devices. You will learn everything that you need to know to understand semiconductor devices. You might be aware that most of the electronic things that you see around you, laptops, computers, all cell phones, anything, they all are built of things like transistors, diodes, many of the laser diodes, LEDs, solar cells. These are all semiconductor devices, and in many cases we are not very familiar as to how these devices are working. Although we do make circuits, analog and digital circuits, but we do not understand exactly how the semiconductor devices are working. So this course will build you the base for understanding semiconductor from the very fundamental level. And after you do the course, you will be confident in understanding and analyzing any kind of semiconductor, electrical or optoelectronic devices, including compound semiconductor based devices, silicon based devices, optical devices like LEDs, solar cell, photodetectors, photosensors and so on, besides the conventional devices. Okay, and we'll start with the assumption that you only have studied physics till 10+2. You do not have to understand anything beyond that. So we'll start from there, and over the next 30 lectures that are there in this course, you will build step by step each of this device concept, the fundamental of semiconductor, so that you are able to score very well in semiconductor related courses or entrance exam papers like GATE or other exams. At the same time, you would be also inclined to take up career as a researcher in semiconductor, either in academia or industry, or take up higher studies, because the world today needs fundamental breakthroughs in semiconductor technologies for the next generation electronics and photonics. So this course will train you for that. This course will train your thinking for that, and the concepts below that will be all highlighted and elucidated very clearly. Okay, so fundamentals of semiconductor devices will, although the topics will be very similar to what many other courses offer, the treatment of this course will be at very fundamental level, and will go very slow so that you understand all the concepts very easily as we move forward. Okay, so I welcome you to register and get signed up for this course of semiconductor devices. My email ID will be available, so if you have any questions, any doubts, any things that you want to clarify, you're always welcome to email me at my email ID. It's digvijay@isc.ac.in, and I hope you will enjoy the course, and we'll have a very interactive session as we begin this 30-hour journey to start from basics of semiconductors to semiconductor devices. Thank you.